yung patol kayo. Uy, hindi ko po sa tayo. Ako nang isulat, ako nang ibubutang sa prompter kay kung ako rin yung magbuot-butog storya, ugma pa tamang-umay. So, allow me to read from the prompter. Kasi kung ako lang to guys, mga 20 minutes to, akala nyo concert ko na. Hindi, pero seryoso, this next song is very special to me because aside from the fact that this is the first time na kantahon na ko siya sa Philippines, because I've only performed it once. This is the second time na kantahon na ko siya. The reason why I wanted to perform this song tonight is because it was inspired by someone in the audience. And that person is my mother, Marites Sandino. Wala pa ganito yung istorya, mahilak naman ka, ma'am. Hilak mo juga na kung mama guys, kanang bisag wala ko yung mata ko niya, ino lang, hilak ito. Pero, kung okay lang sa inyo, pwede na ko i-story why I wrote this song, okay lang. When I was in high school, my mom decided to get the second degree. Okay, professional naman na siya. Wala pa may na anak. But she decided to leave her career because she wanted to focus on being a mother. So, katong high school me, she decided to pursue the second degree. And kato na time, in demand kaayo ang mga nurses. So, nag-enroll siya sa pagka-nurse. And then, almost 1 year na, hapit na niya makomplete ang first year of the degree. Unexpectedly, she became pregnant with my brother. Kanang bata, ay di na siya bata, ulitaw naman siya. And so, gipugos niya, nga maskwela sa gihapon siya, bisag gabog, at tiyan. And then, ultimately, kuya, ayun siya, i-focus kuya kayo. Hindi sila po makafocus. Katong mama lang ako. Mama lang. Kuya, ay ibuton ka tanawa na wala akong emo. Seryoso bit. So she tried to still finish that with the degree, bisag bunti siya. But ultimately, she had to pause her studies. Kaya kailangan niya mga anak, she had to take care of her brother. And so gibuyan sa ito niya kadali. So nung nag-college na may, fast forward to nag-college na may sa kuwang iksuon po na babae, ano siya, ako anong ipadayo. So imagine, at 39 years old, nabuntis pa siya sa kong manghod. And at around mga 45 years old and 46 years old, nahuman niya iyang pagka-nurse. But because she was juggling being a mom, being a wife, being a student, amongst other things, wala siya time mag-review para sa iyang nursing licensure exam. She took the exam unprepared, and so she failed. After ana, grabe kay ka-heartbroken akong mama guys, as in, grabe dyan niya ako, she felt really defeated. And as a mother, na-ashay ka ng mom guilt ba? Mamurag, mom, siguro niyo ako ipapasar sa Ginoo kay ang mga ambisyon pa magugubang at iguwang naman ng tako, dapat anak na lang na kong asawa akong focus. Anak. And so because of that heartbreak, she wanted to let go of her dream. But the dream never left her. Even a decade after. So katong naminyo na ang akong manghod na babae. Si Irmo, kaya naman niya iyang sarili, dako naman siya. My mom decided to take one last shot at her dream. So at 56 years old, nagkulong siya sa kwarto sa ako ang mamang papa 4 months. And she reviewed day and night. Usahay, di na mukhaon akong mama. Imagine na ang 56 years old. Walay kaon, walay pakuway, kaya gusto siya magtuon. It's not because she still wanted to be a nurse pa sa mga hospital. Kaya dahil ako nagpalpitate akong mama dahil. But it was because she just wanted to reach her dream. She just wanted to achieve that dream. Pero, ang ingon sa akong mama, pwede i-secret lang na to ni. Pwede dili lang na to iingon sa mga tao nga mag-take ko. And I was so broken-hearted because why is this woman who is so hardworking, who dedicated her entire life raising her children, nga naman na she's ashamed that she wanted to reach her dreams. And actually, the answer is because the standards of this world keep on telling her that she is too old, na dili na niya kaya, na dili na siya capable. And that made me realize na dili lang di akong mama nga ka-experience, ana. But all women experience that. We limit ourselves and we limit the things that we can be and the things that we can do because the world keeps on telling us that we can't do it even before we try. But despite knowing all of these challenges, my mom took the exam. The 2-day-long exam. And I am so incredibly proud to share that my mom, Marites Tandingan, became a registered nurse at the age of 56 years old. Tindog, mami, may gusto sila makita ni mami. So, ginapugan-pugan na dito kong hilak. My gosh, Lord, tabang. So, to my mommy Tess, my sister Beauty, to my mother-in-law, Mami Wayne, ang akong mga inspiration. Ay, hindi ko nita bang? And to all the women na naadiri karong gabi una, hi! Nabitaw. I know na kining standards sa kalibutan, dili man po ni siya completely baseless, no? Kaya may ganun sila, the numbers don't lie. But I don't think it's the only truth to believe. Kung happy ba ta? If I'm doing enough, if I'm doing the best I can with whatever I have. So, I just hope na kung unsa man yung mga standards na inalabay sa to sa kalibutan, I hope that we don't allow these things to define us. And so para sa tanang women na naadiri, my moms and my sister, and kung nain yung mga mama karon sa inyong mga video call or whatever, or later pag uli sa balay, I hope you share this song with them. And I hope that you all feel that you are not alone. This is the song I wrote for my mom, Numbers.